everyone, I just wanted to come on and do a little walkthrough of my new light blue journal. So this is just a little flip through that I'm going to do so you can have a look at it. Really enjoyed doing this. Found it quite relaxing and calming. So I don't know whether that's maybe the blueness, because I think that can be quite a calming colour. But yeah, I've really enjoyed doing this. Some little bits of ephemera in here that I've made from a collage background masterboard. There's a video up on my channel if you want to see how I did those things. So do feel free to have a look at that. So let's just check a little bit going on there, just a little bit of stuckness. Quite a few little bits and bobs in here. I won't go into all the pockets as usual because I will be popping this up onto my Etsy store, so I don't want to kind of reveal everything. I like there to be a few little surprises, but there's, as you can see, there's loads of writing space. There's lots of little decoration all over the place as well, but I like to leave space for actually writing in. Got to put something in here. Let's pop some of these in here. I love these little stickers. Just cut off the end there. Pop those. Actually, what we'll do, take this one off. Might be able to just slide these in without having to fold them up. Yeah, that should be okay. Pop this little sticker in here as well. Actually, let me just trim that off properly. There we go. Pop that in there. So that's all really nice. I've really enjoyed working on this. I'm really pleased with it. It looks really cool, I think. So it will be up in my Etsy store. If it's not up already, it will be up there very shortly. So I hope you've enjoyed just having a little look through that. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this sort of thing, please do like, subscribe and all that jazz. That would be lovely. Thank you very much. Bye for now.